boat, the river, with an able driver. Check out the scene now. Crazy ride. We have bargained for 600,000, which is about it's a 4-hour journey by boat. Otherwise, you would have to travel 36 hours. And we are now going to Noung, which is just 4 hours by boat. And we're paying 600,000. That's about how many dollars? $70. That's a very good deal. Here it is. Woohoo!
And I'm in my Shivsena car. I'm gonna wait for the world.
Mobile phone's not working.
And my damn register didn't work again. Some of the things, remember it works, but it always will. And I don't know what is going in the river, but it's not very nice.
Jumping from the pool.
And voila, that's it. Adios Laos.
Adios Laos.
No, adios camera.
Adios Vietnam.
Adios Vietnam.
Welcome Laos. Goodbye.